In today's video, we'll install a powerful tool called SCRCPY. This tool allows you to mirror and control your Android device right from your PC. It's completely free, open source, and supports Windows, macOS, and Linux. In this guide, we'll show you how to set it up on Windows with your Android device. So, let's get started. First, on your Android device, go to Settings, About Phone, tap on the build number multiple times until developer options is enabled. Then go back to Settings, open developer options and enable USB debugging. Next, let's download SCRCPY. Open your browser and go to the official SCRCPY GitHub page. Go to the download section and download the latest version for Windows. Once downloaded, right-click the zip file and extract the content. Now, let's move on to connecting your Android device. Use a USB cable to connect your Android device to the PC. Allow the USB connection. Then make sure the USB connection is set to file transfer mode. Now, on your computer, open your folder where you extracted SCRCPY. In the address bar, type cmd and press enter. This will open the command prompt in the SCRCPY folder. In the command prompt, type SCRCPY and press enter. When prompted on your phone, allow USB debugging access. You should now see your Android screen mirrored on your PC. You can control it with your mouse and keyboard just like you would with your fingers. If you want to change the quality of your Android screen mirroring, you can adjust the bitrate and resolution settings when launching the application. In the command prompt, type SCRCPY. Then, to specify the bitrate, type video bitrate. The default bitrate is 8 Mbps. You can increase or decrease it depending on your preference. Higher bitrate improves the quality but may require more bandwidth and processing power. You can reduce it to something like 4 Mbps if you prefer performance. Then, to specify the resolution, type max size. By default, it uses the full native resolution of your Android device screen, but you can set it to, let's say, 1920 for higher resolution or 1024 or 720 for lower resolution. Now press enter and SCRCPY will mirror your Android screen with the new quality settings. As you can see, the video quality has been reduced significantly. Do you know you can also connect SCRCPY wirelessly? Follow the next setup guide if you prefer going wireless. First of all, connect your Android device and PC to the same Wi-Fi network. Then, go to Wi-Fi settings and note down your Android device's IP address. During the setup, make sure your Android device is still connected to your PC via USB. In the command prompt, type ADP TCP/IP 5555. This command is used to switch ADP from the USB connection to a wireless connection over Wi-Fi or port 5555. Then type ADP connect your Android device's IP address 5555. It will connect to the Android device over Wi-Fi using its IP address. Once the connection is successful, you can unplug the USB cable. Finally, run the SCRCPY command and it will connect over Wi-Fi, allowing you to control your device wirelessly. That's it, you have successfully installed and configured SCRCPY on your Windows PC and Android device. Now you can control your phone from your PC seamlessly.